It's not at all about only a version control tool or a configuration management tool, or
Yes,
it's
yes.
right. The work could be anything. I have seen there are videos in YouTube where they are just telling, no, you need to do these many tools and you'll become DevOps engineer. No, why you are
Yeah.
just misguiding people? It's not like that, because when you work as a DevOps engineer, they'll ask you to work on vulnerability remediation. Seriously, I'm
Yeah.
telling you, they'll ask you to work on code remediation and all. They'll ask you to work on migration activity. They'll ask you to work on patching activity. So do you think patching activity is not that same like what Linux administrator is doing?
Yes,
Same thing
yes.
we are doing as a DevOps engineer, right?
Mhm.
So, and at the same time, they are telling you to automate your environment, automate your pipeline. Jenkins you need to learn if you are good in Jenkins. If you know Jenkins, if you know Azure DevOps, then do with the Azure DevOps pipeline. Correct. So these things will be there. They will ask you to also do the Terraform. So DevOps is something. There are list of tools. Okay, and going forward it may change, but once we know
Yes.
the feature and functionality category wise, like version control tool or a configuration management tool or a containerization or a monitoring tool, there are monitoring tool also. People
Yes.
are only working in the monitoring tool and they are telling that I am a DevOps engineer. You will
Yes.
believe they only work on a Splunk, and what they are doing being a DevOps engineer, they are just monitoring those Splunk logs from the dashboard or from the Kibana, right? From the Elk, Elastic Logstash and Kibana, right? Elasticsearch, from there, that Kibana dashboard, they are just monitoring that one. So it's not like that. And ultimately, they'll ask you to troubleshoot that one. Just check the logs why we are getting error, right, for the application.
Yes.
So DevOps work is very versatile. Okay. So to get into that situation, you have to come this way. And it's not like that you can excel. Yes, if you are only sticking with Linux administrator, I said very clearly there are a list of things. Okay. And but if you are adding automation and if you are adding into that one the database and cloud, that is also more than efficient, more than sufficient, Bhavya. Okay. And the reason,
Okay.
because you can see when you Amazon is hiring. Okay. If you see, there are
Yeah.
company who are only hiring for the cloud. So what exactly they are looking at you? They are looking your troubleshooting skills, how good you are in Linux.